Centre. It's a cloud-free start to the weekend across southern Africa. There's fog visible on the satellite image along the northern Cape coastline and along the south coast of the Western Cape. Fog is expected to move ashore overnight to result in a foggy start to the day tomorrow morning along the west and south coast. Otherwise, cloud-free conditions tomorrow afternoon, pleasant daytime temperatures, and it will be warm in places, especially in KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld. Winds remain light overnight. We're expecting very light northeasterlies towards the western escarpment and light offshore winds in the western and eastern Cape. Tomorrow afternoon, winds remain northwesterly over the southern provinces, speeds up to 20 km per hour in the Karoo, light southerly winds expected along the western Cape coastline, and very light winds over the eastern interior. Cape Town will become quite chilly overnight with a low of 12 degrees in the City Bowl and single-digit minimums likely on the Cape Flats. Light and variable winds accompany the low temperatures, cloud-free conditions, perfect weather for fog to creep in overnight, so tomorrow morning can start off misty, but we're expecting a mostly sunny afternoon with a high of 22 degrees and southerly winds up to 15 km per hour. Morning temperatures drop below 0 degrees in places in the northern Cape overnight, -4 expected in Sutherland, 0 in Bloemfontein tomorrow morning, and frost likely in places in the Free State. Down to 7 degrees in Johannesburg, 5 overnight in Mahikeng, mid-teens for the KZN coastline, but it's going to be slightly warmer towards the western escarpment with a low of 17 in Springbok. Afternoon temperatures touching the 30-degree mark again in the West Coast District with 32 in Vredendal, 29 in Uppington. We're expecting a warm day in Bombela with a high of 28, 29 degrees in Richards Bay and 28 expected in Pietermaritzburg, warm in East London but slightly cooler in PE at a maximum of 22. Another fine day on Sunday where we're expecting partly cloudy conditions due to high cloud in the south, temperatures in the low 20s along the south coast, but temperatures recover again towards the start of next week, but high cloud remains prevalent in the south. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your evening.